If you're getting into fishing and you're needing to add to your fishing gear, rather than buying them all separately, you can get KastKing fishing toolkit here that comes with 7 different pieces. It's going to come with a digital scale that weighs up to 65 pounds, along with lip grippers for holding your fish. You also have these needle nose pliers that are going to be really handy, along with this utility lanyard that you can attach your pliers to, or you can attach this fishing towel that it comes with as well. You also have a fillet knife for cleaning those catches. It has a built-in sharpener at the end. And then you also have a hook remover. Again, these are all important pieces I feel that a fisherman should have. And then rather than getting them separate, you can get them all in this kit here. And it's going to make you instantly beef up your fishing gear so you can get out there and catch that next big catch.